LOV111VOL is an application that is used to manage a one-person business, a team, as well as an entire company, an entire organization. After launching the program, we're shown a login window, and here we enter the word human as login and password. In today's tutorial, I will tell you how we manage documents. To do this, we go to the Binders tab. On the left side, we see the menu. Here we select Binders, and with a plus, we can add our new binder. Below that is the owner by default. In this case, we, meaning human. Next, we have the members of the binder. There are people who can view and people who can edit. We will leave all of these things. You can add other options here, such as index, to make it easier and faster to search for a particular binder. You can say who is responsible for that binder, give that person's email, phone number, and so on. But that's enough for us for now. We write it down and a new binder is created for us. The binder has a lot of functions. Nevertheless, I will focus on the basic function, namely, we will try to add ourselves some Word document. To do this, we click on plus, add a document. And here we can choose some word, for example. I have already prepared myself there. We add these 3 documents. And we save, of course. We can also add documents using drag and drop by hovering over this blue box here. We can also maintain versions of a given document, which I will show you in a moment. As you can see, we have added 3 documents. Now we can save these documents. As you can see, we now have 3 documents here. Since we have different versions of this document, we can maintain versions here, as I mentioned earlier. And here we go to Edit. We click the Edit icon, and here we add the different versions. Then we edit the document and assign the appropriate version. And we save. We do the same with the other 2 documents. We assign versions to them. Then we save. And as we see now in the attachment, we have only 1 document, and we can choose the version for ourselves here at the top. We have an older version and the oldest version. Now I will show you how to export and import. In this case, I will deal with importing a given structure. We hover over a node, press the right mouse button, and import the entire structure that we have somewhere on the computer. As you can see, we have imported some structure, and in this structure we have some photos.